Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So if your Valorant keeps crashing mid-game, what you'll have to do is you need to close other apps running in the background, which are unnecessary of course. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar, click on it. Here in the Task Manager window in the list of processes, you need to look for the application which you're running in the background and which you are not using. Let's say, for example, I'm not using Discord and this is running in the background. So I'll just make a right click and then select End Task. So once you have done that, also on the left pane, click on Startup Apps. Status is this should be from enabled to disabled. Then what you'll have to do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup application. Again, disable the unnecessary startup application. Let's say for example, Microsoft Edge is unnecessary, so I'll just make a right click and then select disable. So once you have done to all of the unnecessary startup applications, close this window and then try if that helped you fix the issue. Next method is we need to also update the graphics card driver of our Windows. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match. Then here in the Device Manager window, you need to locate your displayed adapters. And this is your graphics card driver. So you might have a different graphics card driver like NVIDIA or any other graphic cards driver. What you'll have to do is make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. So once done, simply close this. The next method is we can also make sure that our Windows is up to date because sometimes outdated Windows can cause the issue. So click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then here you need to check for updates. So you just have to wait for this. Now this is downloading and installing the updates for your Windows and you just have to wait for that. So once done, close this window. Then you can also try disabling the or temporarily disabling the antivirus of your Windows because this can prevent your game or this can help you or cause the issue to persist. So once you are on your taskbar, click on this show hidden icons. So in my case, I have the Malwarebytes as my antivirus, third-party antivirus software. So what I'm going to do is right-click on that and then select Quit Malwarebytes. And also if you have the Windows Security, open the Windows Security. On the left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings and then disable temporarily the real-time protection. And then see if the problem has been fixed. So if the problem has been fixed, then what you'll have to do is go back to Windows Security and then enable the real-time protection because this is important for your Windows. And the last method is if still the issue keeps on persisting, then you need to uninstall the application, which is the Valorant application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. If you find the Valorant, click on these three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Also for the Riot client, if you find that, this one, also uninstall that. And then the Riot Vanguard, uninstall. So once that is done, simply open a browser. It could be Edge or a Google Chrome right here. Then just search for Valorant download. Click on this. And here you have this download the game Valorant. Click on this. And you just have to click on download. So the installer file will be downloaded right here. We just have to wait for this. Once done, double click, click on run, then just close this window. And now click on install. And then install once again. So once this is done, then you can now access into your Valorant application in a fresh start. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.